Ready for shorthand dictation 5 seconds. Start. I am directed to refer to para 5 of the Punjab Government Finance Department letter on the subject noted above and to say that the Governor of Punjab is pleased to order that in respect of the Punjab government employees who had retired from service prior to the 1st November, the basic pension admissible to them on the 1st January be enhanced 50% of their basic pension subject to the maximum of rupees 100 per mensum stop. The basic pension for this enhancement shall not include the ad hoc increases reliefs already granted from time to time stop. In addition, the items of ad hoc relief increases, including the 7 installments of ad hoc relief sanctioned on the pattern of Government of India, should also be merged in the pension as admissible on 1st January stop. In case where the pension after adding all these amounts of ad hoc increases reliefs as well as the enhancement now being allowed remain short of rupees 150, it should be raised to rupees 150 per mensum stop. This decision would equally apply in the case of these Punjab government employees who were sanctioned Guzara household or Parvaris by way of pension at the time of their retirement stop. Para. The Governor of Punjab is further pleased to order that family pension admissible to the widows and children of the deceased government employees who had retired from service prior to the 1st November will be enhanced subject to a maximum of rupees 75 per mensum stop to the pension, thus enhanced all the items of the ad hoc relief at present admissible on such pension on the 1st January shall be added and the basic pension determined accordingly stop. In case where after adding all these elements the pension falls short of rupees 125, it shall be raised to rupees 125 per mensum stop. This decision will also apply in the case of widows and children of the government employees who retired before the 1st July for did not opt for the liberalized family pension scheme and they will be paid on ad hoc basis minimum family pension with effect from 1st December stop. In case any of the widows of the employees of this category is already in receipt of pension from the social welfare department, the same will be adjusted from 1st December stop. These orders will not apply to pensioners who had sanctioned pensions on ad hoc basis top para. The question of rationalizing the system of holidays and working hours at present observed by the Punjab government and also of the leave enjoyed by Punjab government servants has been examined at some length stop. The present system is defective in many ways stop. The incidence of holidays is eccentric and often disturbs the continuity of work stop. Possibly because of their eccentric incidence, holidays are in fact not always allowed to be treated as such and miscellaneous work is often required to be done on those days stop. A system in which neither work nor leisure is undisturbed obviously need reform so that both are more effective. Stop leave rules are not realistic in that although leave both privilege and casual is admissible to government servants at a liberal scale, it is seldom possible to take it in full in actual practice. Stop government are therefore of the view that a reform in the present organization of work and leisure is necessary so that work is done and leisure enjoyed on a more rational basis. Stop government are convinced that with a better and more effective organization of leisure, it will be possible for government servants to work longer and harder, particularly in the cooler months. Stop harder work from the government servants is required in the context of the country's present economic struggle and should be well within their capacity if they are given adequate and systematized rest and leisure. Stop para government have therefore decided to increase working hours during the cooler months so that more work is done to reorganize holidays so that adequate rest is given and the continuity of work is not disturbed and to rationalize leave rules so that an official without being entitled to inordinately long periods of absence can and in fact generally does take the leave due to him. Stop the object is to introduce a system which combines hard work with real leisure. Stop thank you.